Now, Ayodhya has created history by setting a world record for the most people performing diya rotation simultaneously and for the largest display of oil lamps with an astonishing 20 lakh diyas lit across the ghats of Ayodhya. The event marks the 9th Deepotsav and the first major Diwali celebration since the consecration of the Ram temple, drawing millions of devotees. The festivities also included 3D projection mapping, laser displays and a drone show to narrate the story of Ramayana.
City of Ayodhya looks like a golden dream. Just look around and feel the energy here. Listen to these beautiful songs in the background. Right now the drone show is going on. It's spectacular and millions of diyas shimmering, sparkling, reflecting on the waters of Saryu as if the stars have descended to earth. These are some beautiful, extraordinary views to be seen from Ramnagri, Ayodhya tonight. Each diya is telling a story of devotion, of faith and of the grand return of Lord Ram to his home. From children to elders, everyone here is a part of this ocean of light, hands folded, eyes filled with emotion, hearts full of devotion. You can feel the energy in the air, chants of Jai Shri Ram rising with every heartbeat. The sound of bhajans blend together in perfect harmony, and just as the flames grow brighter, the sky too comes alive. Thousands of synchronized drones light up above us, creating stunning visuals of the Ramayana in the night sky. The Pushpak Viman, we saw Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshman returning to Ayodhya and the whole city welcoming them with diyas. It's pure magic, pure bliss. Laser beams cut through the darkness, sketching divine symbols over the ghats. The reflection of the lights in the river looks surreal, as if heaven itself is celebrating. So the view tonight, the energy tonight cannot be described in words. The energy can only be felt. So I'd let the pictures do the talking. So whatever you see tonight here at the ghats, this is not just light, it's emotion illuminated. This is faith in its most beautiful form. Ayodhya glowing with the power of devotion and unity. The chants, the lights, the colors, everything here says only one thing: Ram is not just in Ayodhya tonight. Ayodhya itself has become Ram.